So what is the highest coverage I can choose, and is it enough for my specialty?
Good question. Nowadays, it becomes very, very important for every single practitioner and hospital owner to have either professional indemnity policy or error omission policy. The reason is very clear. My personal experience, now the fear from the mind of patient is gone कि डॉक्टर मेरे ऊपर केस करेगा अगर हम केस हार गए तो, ये कॉन्सेप्ट खत्म हो चुका है. एसोसिएशन activists are working in this field. और आज की तारीख में, let me tell you with my experience, where I am handling a case of 30 crore in cesarean death, injection abscess leading to septicemia and death, 28 crores, 10 crores, common 5-7 crores, I am seeing almost every week notice. इन सब सिनारियों में कवरेज अच्छा होना चाहिए, क्योंकि if at all it goes against you in court of law, this insurance company are committed to pay you for all damages during your medical practice. My recommendation to every single consultant to have a not less than, if you are a new practitioner having a less patient, at least 1 crore compensation, because judgment does not go beyond that. अगर आप बहुत अच्छे प्रैक्टिशनर हो या आपके पास हाई क्लास ऑफ पीपल आर कमिंग, देन मिनिमम 3 करोड़, क्योंकि कैलकुलेशन किसी भी डेथ केस में मल्टीप्लायर मेथड से भी हो सकता है. तो इफ देयर अर्निंग इज वेरी हाई, दे आर अ गुड पीपल, दे आर डेफिनेटली गोइंग टू गो टू एडुकेट. इन सच केसेस compensation may go more. Of course, multiple cases are also possible in a year, so your compensation you need to calculate accordingly. तो coverage 3 से 5 करोड़ advisable for all the hospital. My advice that 2 to 5 crore, any range in between, क्योंकि आपके coverage 90% तक जा सकते हैं, क्योंकि ऐसे जजमेंट्स आए हुए हैं जहां कौंसिल ने प्रेजेंट किया है कोर्ट को कि क्रेनियल सर्जन्स गेट, in cranial surgery, neurosurgeon gets only 20,000 out of 4 lakhs billed by the corporate hospital. कोर्ट को भी समझ में आता है कि प्रॉफिट मार्जिन varies. In such cases, naturally, hospital have to pay a 90%, rather take a liability of 90%. Plus, hospital के अंदर paramedical staff, qualified, unqualified staff, उनके mistakes very common nowadays, and multiple visiting consultant to that hospital. तो ये पॉलिसी तो आपके हर कंसल्टेंट के मिस्टेक को कवर करती है. तो एवरी हॉस्पिटल नीड टू हैव नॉट लेस देन 2 to 5 crore in between, depend upon the practice or area where this hospital runs. So it is utmost important for my doctors and my hospital owner to get protection to avoid civil cases against you. Thank you.